This problem says Kiara is covering this rectangle box with duct tape. What is the total area that Kiara will cover with duct tape? Show your work. So for this problem, we want to find out this box, how much duct tape will she cover the whole box with. But you have to know how many faces it has. It has a front face, which would be the front here. I highlighted it, I don't know if you can see it. If I were to find the area of this front face, I would have to do my base, which is 30, and my height, which is right here. Let me do it with green. No, it's right here. So I don't have a number there. So I have to use other sides to tell me what that height is. These two are the same. If you look at them, they're the same size. So if this is 6, that means that this side is 6. So for this front face area, I would have to do 30 times 6. I would have to do 30 times 6. That's how I'll find that area for that front face. Now I also need to find the area of the other faces. So not just the front face. I need to find the area of the back face, of the left face, of the right, of the top, and of the bottom face. So for my back side, my back and my front side are usually the same when they are a rectangle or a square. So if the front side was 30 times 6, which is this side, that means that the back side, which is right here, that means that the back side would also be 30 by 6. If the front has a base of 30, that means that the back also has a base of 30. So if this is 30, that means that this base right here would be 30 as well. Now for the back side, you can already see the height, which is 6. But again, it's the same thing as the front side, which was 6. So my front and my back both are 30 times 6 when I find their areas. So they're 30 times 6. 30 times 6 for the front, 30 times 6 for the back. Now for my left side, my left side, there's no numbers on my left side, but the left side would be this box right here. Again, my base would be the bottom part. So how much is my bottom part? I don't know what it is here, but this side over here tells me that it's 6. They're both the same size. They're both the same length. That means if this is 6, this is 6. So my bottom is 6. But what is my height? My height, again, I'm going to copy from the other side. So if this height is 6, that means that this height is 6. So my left box is 6 times 6. My right box is 6 times 6. So I'm going to put that for my area for my right and my left side. Now, the last thing I must find is my area for the top and for the bottom. So for my top would be this top part of the box. My base is this part, but there's no number there. I'm going to copy what the other base has, which is right here. It's 30. If this base is 30, that means that this base has to be 30. They're the same length, they're the same size. So my base would be 30. Now my height. I know we've always talked about the height being like this, but just because this rectangle is slanted, we on this side, we do count this as a height. So my top part, this would be my base, and then this slanted part would be my height. And the same thing would have to go to for the bottom area. My bottom area would be this part right here. And this bottom area actually has both measurements already on there. The base is 30 and the height is 6. So when I write my area formula for the area on the top and the bottom, it would be 30 times 6 and 30 times 6 again. Once you have this, you need to multiply everything out and then you add it up with each other. But the good thing is that if you know what 30 times 6 is once, you'll know what to do for the other 30 times 6's. So 3 times 6 is 18. Then we put in the 0. It's 180. So these would be 180. 6 times 6 is 36. Now when I add this, 1, 2, 3, 4, I have a 480s. And I have 236s. 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry the 1, 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 8 more is 25. 25 plus 8 more is 33. 33 plus 3 more is 36. 36 plus 3 more is 39. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 792. So my total area would be 792 inches squared. Now, this is, I shouldn't say surface area, I should say surface area. So the total surface area would be 792.